Hi everyone, with me today I have this swivel accent chair and I'm in love with it. It comes fully assembled, so setup is literally just pulling it out of the box and tossing the pillow on. It is done in seconds. Now the 360 swivel base is super buttery smooth, which makes it easy to turn around while chatting or just looking at someone in the room. I really love this white terry fabric. It matches the rest of my chairs perfectly and it's got that soft cloud-like texture that just melts around you. The barrel shape really hugs your back so well, and with the plush seat and included pillow, it feels like you're getting cuddled every time you sit down, and you can really lean back in this chair. It's also super versatile. I use it in my office currently, but I honestly could see it working beautifully in a bedroom, living room, or a reading corner. And let's not ignore the fact that it's super cute. The design is so modern but still minimal, and it's cozy and inviting. I now record a lot of my content sitting in this chair and it just makes the whole process more enjoyable. So comfort, style, and no assembly, yes please grab yours on Amazon because you too deserve to sit like royalty.